Hey there, job seekers and aspiring developers. Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to channel for the latest job opportunities in Nepal. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on exciting job updates. Now let's dive right into today's fantastic opportunity. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to AppYard, a dynamic company making waves in the world of software development and marketing services. AppYard is not just another agency, it's your pathway to growth in the digital landscape. Now, let's delve into the heart of this incredible work from home opportunity. As a selected intern at AppYard, your day-to-day responsibilities will revolve around transforming Figma designs into stunning Android applications. To succeed in this role, you will need a specific set of skills and experiences. Here are the requirements. You must be well versed in Flutter and Firebase as they form the core tech stack. Prior experience working on Android projects is a must. The ability to work independently on project is crucial. If you are a Java or Kotlin enthusiast, your skills are also welcomed with open arms. So, who's eligible to seize this incredible opportunity? Well, here's the scoop. You should be available for this work from home internship for 3 months. If you have the skills and a burning passion, this opportunity is for you. And guess what? Women looking to start or restart their careers are also encouraged to apply. But wait, there's more. Check out these fantastic perks. A valuable certificate to add to your portfolio, a glowing letter of recommendation, flexible work hours so you can balance work and life, enjoy your weekends with a 5-day work week, and if you sign bright, a job offer awaits with a salary ranging from 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs per year. So how can you apply to this job? I provided the link to this application in the video description. Click on that and you will come to this interface, and you can directly apply to the job by clicking on apply now, and your profile will be taken from Internsala and the application will be submitted. If you get selected, it will reflect in this platform or you will get a mail. So there you have it, an incredible opportunity with AppYard. If you are ready to embark on a new journey of learning and growth, don't miss out on this chance. Apply now and take your first step towards a rewarding career in the software development. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned to Placements Nepal for more exciting job updates. Thanks for joining us today. Good luck, job hunters.